We guide you through how to change your Gmail name so recipients see the correct name when you send emails. First thing you need to do is open your Gmail on your browser, click the settings gear icon, and select See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab and look for Send Mail As. Click Edit Info next to your email address, then enter the new name you want people to see. After that, click Save Changes to apply the update. The change takes effect immediately, and all future emails you send will show the new name instead of the old one. This is useful for correcting mistakes, updating your display name, or making your emails look more professional.